Number 21. This is a functions question and it deals with composite functions. Given functions f of x equals 2x plus 1 and g of x equals x squared minus 4, what is the value of f of g of negative 3? The first thing we have to do is what's inside, g of negative 3. G of negative 3 would be plugging in negative 3 into the x, square that, minus 4. So that would be negative 9 squared, negative 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4, which is 5. That means g of negative 3 is 5. So that's really f of 5. F of 5 is 2 times 5 plus 1, which is 10 plus 1. 11 is our answer. Answer choice D. Number 22. This is an algebra question and it deals with systems of equations. A fabric store sells flannel and calico fabrics. Joan pays $25 for 3 yards of flannel and 4 yards of calico. So we want to write an equation. 3 yards of flannel plus 4 yards of calico is $25. Chris pays $11 for 1 yard of flannel, 1 yard of flannel plus 2 yards of calico, and that's $11. What is the price of 1 yard of calico? So what we can do is solve for C here. And we can either do substitution or elimination. And if we're going to do elimination, we want to get rid of the F's so that we can have the C's. So what I will do is multiply everything here by 3. That'll be 3F plus 6C equals 33. Now I'm going to subtract, but I'm going to subtract this direction because I want 33 minus 25 to give me a positive number. So 3F minus 3F is 0, 6C minus 4C is 2C, and 33 minus 25 is 8. Isolate the C, and we get C equals 4. That is our answer. Number 23 is an integrating essential skills question, and we are looking at median. The scores given below were earned by 10 students on a recent biology test. What is the median score? So since there are 10 students, when we're trying to figure out median, it's actually going to be the average of the two middle scores because there isn't an actual middle score with 10 scores. With an even number of scores, you have to take the 5th and the 6th scores, because that's the midpoint right there, and get the average between those two. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you're getting the average of these two numbers. So we have to put these numbers in order, figure out which ones are the 5th and 6th, and then get the average, and we will get our answer. So let's start with the lowest, which is here, 71, and the highest are the 394s. So we'll put them here. And then 77, 78. Then we have 80, 86, 88, 88. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 86 and 88 are numbers 5 and 6. The average is 87. C is our answer. Number 24 is an integrating essential skills question. We are dealing here with perimeter and the side lengths of quadrilaterals, or in this case, a parallelogram. A parallelogram has a perimeter of 84 inches. That's a parallelogram. These sides are the same. These sides are the same. And we're saying that 2x plus 2y is 84. And one of its side measures 16 inches. Let's say x is 16. If it can be determined what are the lengths in inches of the other 3 sides. Well, one of them will be 16, and then the other two will be some other number, probably. So F won't be the answer. And we can just do back solving at this point. Let's just take H and do 16 plus 16 plus 26 plus 26. And if it adds up to 84, this is our answer. And it does, in fact, equal 84. This is our answer. Number 25 is an integrating essential skills question. We are dealing here with area. In the figure below, all of the small squares are equal in area, and the area of rectangle ABCD is 1 square unit. Which of the following expressions represents the area in square units of the shaded region? They're saying that AB times AD will give you 1. That length times that length will give you 1 square unit. What is the area of the shaded region? Well, it's almost 1. It's a little bit less. It's definitely more than half. So we could try to figure out the values of all of these answer choices and see if they make sense. This one would be 1 over 24, which is not even close to being more than a half. This is 3 over 24, same thing. 5 over 36, same thing. 5 over 24, same thing. 15 over 24, that one is the only reasonable answer. Now, another way to look at this is to see that if this is 1, or 1, not that it's 1, but it's 1 unit, then this is 5 out of 6. It's 5/6. This is 3 out of 4. So you're multiplying those together to get the area, 5/6 times 3/4, which is that answer.